Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting in Outlook, so open the app or web version and compose a new message right away. Once the new message window is open, place your cursor where the link should go in the body, because positioning determines readability. Make sure you've copied the exact URL to your clipboard and decide on concise anchor text that explains the link. This saves time and avoids editing later, so pause only to verify the destination and then move on to inserting the link. Now insert the link. You can paste the full URL directly or select your prepared text and press Ctrl+K, CMD+K on Mac to open the Insert Link dialog. Once the dialog appears, paste the URL into the address field and set the display text so recipients immediately understand the destination. Make sure the protocol is correct, HTTPS versus HTTP, and trim tracking parameters if needed. After confirming, click OK to embed the link, then scan the message body for flow and context before finalizing. Finish by sending a quick test to yourself so you can click the link and confirm it opens correctly on desktop and mobile. Once done, send to recipients with a short explanatory line so they know why the link is safe. If the link breaks, recopy it from the source and paste as plain text, then reapply the insert link step. This clears hidden formatting. If recipients report blockage, check corporate filters, shortener issues, or ask them to whitelist your domain as a
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.